Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today we try a Juicy Drops gummies.
There's better.
It's a blue and red. So the red one is a strawberry flavor and the blue one is a raspberry flavor. So let's see. This is very unique because there's a pen. Okay, like this. There's a pen. Let's see. And this one. Okay, let's find out and let's open.
You have a voice.
Okay, so here, the blue one, the raspberry flavor, this is inside. And this is the pen, so cute. And this one in the red, the strawberry flavor. And this one is the pen. Okay, so there's a hole. And this one is a gel, sour gel. So we need to open like a pen, like this.
No, my pen.
Yes, it's a pen. Okay, when you open like this. Okay, so and then yes, this is yours. So you have like this, you put the gel like that, you press, and then yeah, you make like this. Yeah, there's a gel. So let's try with the red one. So like this, and then you have to squeeze. So squeeze, and there's a gel come out, and then you put in the middle of that like a tablet, and then like this. Okay, like this, exactly like this.
No.
So it's a very unique and very impressive product from Juicy Drops gummies, chewy gummies and sour gel. So let's find out what taste. So first we need to eat try the red one. Okay.
It's sour.
It's sour and it's very nice. Next we try the blue one. And it's very, oh my gosh, it's very nice. It's very
Good.
incredible candies. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching and see you next videos. Bye. Say bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye.